Hello everyone, today our topic is how to send Postmark email for Facebook lead ads leads. So suppose I'm running a business and for promoting my business, I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now I want to send an email to all my Facebook leads, and for sending the email, I'm going to use Postmark. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and Postmark. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use Postmark. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are going to see that how we can nurture our Facebook leads and we can automatically send emails to all the new Facebook leads that we are getting from Facebook lead ads. So I'm having a business and I used to promote that on my Facebook page through which I get a lot of new leads. But when I used to send emails to my leads, that takes my whole day. And I was very tired of doing that manually. Then I got to know about Pabbly Connect, which is an automation software that requires zero coding and programming skills, and that helped me to connect my Facebook lead ads and Postmark, and now I can automatically send emails to all the new Facebook leads that I'm getting from my Facebook lead ads. And for sending the email, I'm going to use Postmark. And today I'm going to show you how you can automatically set up this connection between Facebook lead ads and Postmark, and you can automatically send emails to all the Facebook leads that you are getting from Facebook lead ads for your business. So for that, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I have to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will take us to this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is a folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here, I want to create a new workflow. For that, I have to click here on this Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send Postmark email for Facebook lead ads leads. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we have to set up our trigger first. And here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here. And now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab. A new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. And here I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser. So it has detected that. So I just have to click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now I have these two tabs here, page and the lead generation form. Now for selecting the page, I will first go to Facebook. And here I have this Facebook page. And this is the Facebook page for my business, which is named as More Than Bakery. So I'm going to use this particular page. So I'm going to map this in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting the page, I have to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the Facebook pages that are connected with your Facebook account. So I'm going to search for my page, which is More Than Bakery. So I'm going to select this. And for the lead generation form, I'm going to use all lead generation forms. But if you want to use any particular lead generation form, so for that, you have to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the lead generation forms that are connected with your Facebook page. And you can select any one of that. I'm going to use all lead generation forms. So I'm going to select this. And here we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send as request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send as request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this response? For that, I have to make sure that my lead generation form is live and I have to create a sample submission. And for creating the sample submission, I'm going to use Meta for Developer. So let me take you to Meta for Developer. And in this, I will go to More. And I'm going to use Tools. And in Tools, I have to find this Lead Ads RTU Debug tool. So I'm going to open this. And here I have two tabs, Page and the Form. So again, I have to select my Facebook page. So I'm going to open this tab. And in this tab, I'm going to find my Facebook page. So this More Than Bakery is my Facebook page. So I'm going to select this. And my form is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to click here on this preview form button. And I'm going to fill dummy details in my form to create a sample submission. So I'm going to click here. So this is my form and I have filled these details here. So my email is demouser@pabblytudes.com and I have the first name which is demo, last name is user and this is my random phone number and the city is Mumbai. So I have filled all these details in my form. Now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit and I have submitted my form and I have created this new lead. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see I have received this new response. So the email is demouser@pabblytudes.com. We have the first name which is demo, last name is user and we have this random mobile number and we have the city which is Mumbai. So I have received these details of my Facebook lead. Now what I need to do is I need to use these details and I have to send an email to this particular lead and I want to tell him about my business and the offer that I'm having in my bakery. So for that I have to set up my actions tab. And here for sending the email, I'm going to use Postmark. So my action application will be Postmark. So I'm going to select Postmark here. And now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and send email will be my action event. And now I'm going to connect Postmark with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And to connect Postmark, I have to give a server API token. And where I'm going to get this API token? For that, I have to first log into my Postmark account. And for getting the API token, I have to go to servers and in server, I will find API tokens. So I'm going to go back to Postmark and this is my server. So I'm going to open my server and in this, I have this API tokens tab. So I'm going to open this and here we can see we have this API token. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste my API token here and I will click on save. And I have connected Postmark with Pabbly Connect. Now for sending the email, I have all these details. So here what I need is, I need a from email and the to email. So from email will be the email address from which I have to send the email to my leads. And in this, I'm going to type the email address that I want to use and that is verified in my Postmark account. So I'm going to type my email address here. So this is my email address. And now I have to give a to email. And for the to email, I have the email address of my lead in my Facebook lead ads response. So I'm going to use that email address and those details. So I'm going to map that detail here and I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads and this is my email address. So I'm going to map this. Now I want to send the email to this particular address and as I will get new Facebook leads, this email address is going to change and this email address is going to change according to my new Facebook leads that I'm getting. Now I have this option of CC and BCC. If you have these details, you can fill these details too. I don't have these details, so I'm going to leave this blank and I have to give the subject for my email. So I'm going to type my subject here. So this is going to be my subject. Sweet treats awaits. Welcome to More Than Bakery. So I have filled my subject. Now I need a text body that I want to send as an email to my lead. Now I'm going to type my text body here. So this is going to be the content that I want to send on my email. Here I'm going to map the name of my Facebook lead. So for mapping that, I'm going to open this response of Facebook lead ads. And here I have the first name of my lead and I'm going to give a space and I'm going to give a last name. So my content of my email is completed and I'm going to send this email content to my new leads that I'm getting from Facebook lead ads. Now I have filled all the required details here. Now what I need to do is I need to just click on save and send as request button. And here we can see we have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have sent this mail automatically to my new Facebook lead that I have received from my business in Facebook lead ads. Now to check this, I'm going to open the email account of my lead. And here we can see I have received this new email. So I'm going to show you this. And here I have received this email and the email is for demo user. And I have sent this email to this particular email address, which is demouser@pabblytudes.com. And this email was sent by More Than Bakery. So here, as I received a new Facebook lead from Facebook lead ads for my business, then automatically I've sent an email to that lead by using Postmark. So here we can see that my connection between Facebook lead ads and Postmark is working successfully. So whenever I'm getting a new Facebook lead for my business in Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm sending an email to that lead by using Postmark. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have built this connection between Facebook lead ads and Postmark in such a way that whenever we are getting a new Facebook lead from Facebook lead ads for our business, then automatically an email will be sent to that lead by using Postmark. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Postmark, and my action event was send email. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.